In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Gmail profile photo from others. Quick guide. If you'd like a little more privacy and don't want strangers or people you don't communicate with to see your profile picture, Gmail gives you a simple setting to limit who can view it. This doesn't delete your photo. It just narrows its visibility so only people you interact with will see it across Google services. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. In the top right corner, you'll see your current profile image or your account initial. Click that. A small panel opens with your account details. From there, click your photo again to open the photo settings. This is where Gmail links you to the visibility controls for your profile picture. On the visibility page, look for the option that says your photo is visible to anyone, sometimes labeled as public. If your photo is currently set this way, click it. You'll then see an option labeled People You Interact With. Select that option. This setting means your profile picture will be shown only to people you interact with through Google services, like those you communicate with via Gmail or other Google tools. It's a good middle ground. Your photo won't be publicly visible to everyone, but people you actually connect with can still recognize you. After choosing people you interact with, look for the Save button and click it. Saving locks in your preference and updates your account's visibility. In most cases, the change takes effect quickly, but it may take a short time to propagate across devices and apps. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a moment and refresh Gmail. A couple of notes to keep in mind. This setting applies to your Google account photo, so it affects how your picture appears in places like Gmail and other Google services that show your profile. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same area and select the public option again. Also, if you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you're adjusting the correct one. You'll need to set your preference for each account individually. That's all there is to it. By opening Gmail, clicking your profile, selecting your photo, switching from visible to anyone to people you interact with, and saving, you've tightened your privacy without losing your identity for people you actually communicate with.